So high-performance gardens have 12 characteristics that make the garden successful. And today I would like to talk about characteristic number 1, which is in harmony with nature. And one of the questions that I get is, why should we grow food organically? And I have 3 reasons that I grow organically. So number 1, there are millions of microscopic organisms that live in good garden soil. So the microbes in the soil, they form a symbiotic relationship with the plants. And then the plants provide carbohydrates that feed the microbes, and the microbes break down the organic matter and minerals and make them bioavailable to the plants. So if you're using chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and fungicides, these substances, they can kill the microbes, leaving the plants without their natural food supply. Chemical fertilizers are poor substitutes for natural soil nutrients. So most of the chemical fertilizers, they only have nitrogen, potassium, and phosphate in them, and those are only 3 out of the 17 essential required elements for the plants to do well. All right, number 2, when we eat organic foods, we are adding microbes to our gut biome, keeping it healthy and strong. So if a vegetable is covered in pesticides or fungicides, this can be ingested and is harmful to our natural gut microbes that we need to be healthy. So using chemicals on our garden cuts our health. And number 3, chemical fertilizers pollute our earth and our waterways. So chemical fertilizers, they're dangerous to all creatures big and small. They are not necessary in a home garden, and with the right education, you can grow your garden 100% organically and successfully. There are successful organic gardeners in every single climate, so I don't want to hear the excuse, I can't grow organically here, because somebody is doing it in every climate. You know, I really sleep better at night knowing that I am not harming the earth or any of its creatures with chemicals, so I really love to be organic. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the soil microbes and the soil food web, here's a link to a short video that explains it and gives you more details on what I was just talking about. So you can go to livingfarm.org/soil-food-web-garden, and you can get information there. And also, if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardens and the high-performance characteristics that lead to garden success, then you can find all that stuff at our website, thelivingfarm.org. You know, there's videos, articles, courses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.